Okay guys, what's up? Greetings everyone. This is BMK Shots and today we're going to be going through how we could work on backgrounds, how we could work on this type of backgrounds, backdrops. As you can see, this one is quite dirty. The ground is quite dirty, a little bit dirty. So I will be cleaning it up today. I'll try to I'll try to clean it. So this is Kenyan, a top G. And this is BMK Shots. This is me. Then this is Kenyan. You can check him up on YouTube, on Instagram at Kenyan. He's a forex trader and teacher, while I'm just a photographer, musician, and I'm also a forex trader, but I don't teach. I only teach my friends, exclusive. So the first thing we'll do is we'll duplicate the background, Command J or Control J. So next thing as we can all see, the background is quite big, so I'll just have to crop it a little. So I think this is okay, and okay, that's good. So then I'll use this tool. I'll be using this rectangular marquee tool. Then I'll select over this point. Then I right click, fill, okay. Then I'll wait for it to load up. Okay, it's done. Then I'll select this point also and drag just as I did the other part. Then I'll right click and fill, content aware. Oh, I didn't say this before. Content aware, you have to select this content aware. If you use foreground, I think it's gonna put a white color depending on the color you choose. So I'm pattern, but let's just stick with content aware. Normal, 100%. Okay. So that's for that, and just gonna sit. Okay, it's done. Then I'll select this point also, drag it, fill it also, content aware. Okay. Okay, it's done guys. So here comes the most important part. So I'll be using patch 2. This is just the secret. Patch 2, we'll circle around where we want to work on, then we'll drag it to a suitable place where it's fine, where the background is a little bit leveled or better. So you just basically copy and paste. So we copy this patch. I want to make it a little bit smoother, so I'll drag it and put it over here. Then I'll drag this point also, just trying to make it smoother. Just drag wherever there are patches. I'll just have to drag, and that's it. As easy as that. So, and keep tab I also keep my eye on this navigator, like in terms of patches that are not visible, they will be visible there. So but then I think there's a shadow here. I'll try to avoid that also. So if you want to zoom in, oh, mistake. If you want to zoom in, hold alternate and move your mouse wheel forward. That's for zooming in. Zooming out, the inverse, move it backward with holding down alternate. So I think I'll just go through this fast. Some persons like to blow out, like they like to make their backgrounds very smooth. It be like So let's zoom out. Okay, we started from here and now we are here. So I think there is a patch here. I just have to do this. I think it's off now. There is one here. It's cool now. So depending on the background, sometimes I like to use my mixer brush too. I like to use the mixer brush too. Depending on how rough the background is, I can just use it. Then with wet level 15, I just like keeping them low. Then I think the hardness is on 0%. So just blur around it a little bit. And I'll just be careful and watch not to get on the body of the subject, not to get to the body of the subject. So just blend around it. Be careful not to get to the body of the subject. Okay. 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 Sometimes you can reduce your size of your brush. So I'll just have to take this dirt off. Patch to circle around it, move it to a free place, a clean place around the background. So I like leaving my backdrops with a little bit of realistic feel. I don't want it to be all clean. That's just how I work. Some persons likes to overblur, overblend this part, so it will look like we are just sitting on the air or what. I just like it like this. So I think this is cool. This is as good as backgrounds get. Personally, this is as good as backgrounds get. So if I'm a client and I did a shoot and you give me the pictures and they are like this, I'll be happy. So I think we are done. And this is a very concise, precise video. I hope it's not too long. That's why I'm rushing. I don't like releasing long videos. I like concise information. I like my videos to be precise. Just 5 minutes, I'm out. So guys, we just used two tools. We used the patch tool and the mixer brush tool. Okay, we used the crop tool at first, so depending on the height of the picture or the size of the picture rather. So this is all good. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. I'll be dropping more contents soon, so just stay tuned. Turn on post notification, like this video, share it to your friend, and stay cool. So I can also put my logo